everybody, it's BT here with the December 2017 Introverts Retreat box. Let's get started. So this box, inside this box you will find a book, blah blah blah. Okay, well we're not gonna go through that. We'd rather be shocked. So this time they put the book on the top cover. Chevy Stevens, That Night, a thriller. So you can choose your genre, but I just have it as random. I just let them select it for me. And then, what's this? Cleansing water. What the heck is cleansing water? Wash away the day with this refreshing cleansing water. Okay. And it's by Chalet or Agua Fresca. What does this say? Oh, well, they say a facial wash. All right. Mixed with tea. What is this? Okay, I'm gonna leave this for my sister. Oh, it's chai. I haven't really had anything that was good, that was vegan and that was good. So I'm guessing this is a candle. Let's open it. Hold on. Okay, I got the candle open. It has like a coffee scent. So it says jasmine scented. So maybe it needs to just be burnt because that doesn't smell like jasmine. Made with love. Gourmet wedding gifts. So this is like a wafer or something. What is this? I'm not sure. I don't see it. I'm not sure what the heck this is. Oh, a stroop waffle. Okay, that's what it is, a stroop waffle. All right. Let's keep going. And this is a headband. Okay. It's winter, so with winter time comes coverings. What is this? A coupon for the stroop waffle. Hair bands? Is this hair bands? This look like some hair bands. It is, okay. What is this? Is this like a diffuser? Oh my God. Light that turns an empty bottle into a mood light. What? A cork? I don't know what the hell this is. It's a cork USB, a cork light that turns any bottle into lovely empty bottle. Okay. Oh, okay, so you put this on like a water bottle and then the bottle becomes mood light. Okay, that's creative, I guess, if you're at work and having a stressful day. Ta-da! What is this? Something fell. It's a locket. Add a drop or two of the oil to the felt pad. Okay, it's too much going on with this box. What? I'm confused. Okay, so What's in this bag? What? So it's like, this is oil, and this is like a locket diffuser. I don't even know how you open this. Oh, okay, there we go. And then I think that's it. So, we got a book. We got this. Candle. Mood lighting thingy. Vegan chai. A waffle. And a headband. This box was different. I usually love the Introverts Retreat box, but I wasn't feeling this one. As you can see, there was a lot of empty blank thoughts or whatever. Anyway, we'll see what January is like. Talk to you guys later. Bye.